Hello, this video brings 5 winning products for your business as usual. 1 is the toothbrush cleaner and holder. The product's search trend is rising, indicating clear market demand. It's viral on TikTok, indicating numerous potential consumers. Don't miss out on this dropshipping hot sellers. Users' high recognition of its practicality and quality serves as the best promotion, bringing minimal after-sales issues. It has an intelligent sensing cleaning and storage function. Such upgraded products are scarce in the market with low competition, ensuring your long-term sales, perfectly solving users' pain points and offering users a convenient and novel experience. Also, its small size cuts logistics costs, helping you boost profit margins further. Another is the car cooler and warmer cup holder. We can see this item has a stable marketing need. Buyers sharing their usage videos on TikTok draw significant attention, highlighting the great sales potential. Car owners' rising demand for personalized and practical auto parts elevates this item's sale chance. It can cool and heat the drink, suiting all seasons and enhancing user experience greatly. Don't miss this potential bestseller. The third item is the multifunctional meat slicer. Its Google search chart presents competitiveness highlights. This item quickly won the favor of many viewers on TikTok, indicating its ability to address users' pain points. It combines slicing, shredding and mincing functions, greatly saving kitchen space and purchasing costs. By working with SourcinBox, you can get good value products, which will turn price-sensitive customers into clients. Then the fourth is the portable cat scooper. The rising Google trends for this item show it's a profitable addition to your list. It stands out on TikTok, which shows that customer by interest is growing. Pet supplies are in high demand, no selling worries. Its upgraded design ensures efficient hygienic litter cleaning that is appealing to pet owners easily. Finally, the last one is the kitchen folding trash can. This chart shows that upgraded trash cans are in steadily rising market demand. This similar product posted on TikTok has received many likes from viewers and good feedback from buyers. Add it to your store now. Its foldable and movable design saves space and boosts usability, drawing in new users easily. The sturdy and long-lasting material wins buyers' favor, which drives repeat purchases and referrals. Comment or DM us for all the links you need.